Hey friends, welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. I'm so glad you're here, because today's episode could be the spark that launches your next big project. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting to explore the world of digital entrepreneurship, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 digital product ideas you can launch by 2026, even if you're just starting out and have no prior experience. These ideas are perfect for beginners and can be scaled as you grow. These ideas have low barriers to entry but high potential for impact and income. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a huge following to get started, just a willingness to learn and take action. We'll cover everything from the latest AI trends and digital tools to simple templates and resources people love to buy online. There's truly something for everyone, no matter your background or skill set. You don't need a big team or budget, just a good idea, some creativity, and the drive to start. Even a few hours a week can make a difference if you stay consistent. If you're ready to finally build that side hustle or turn your passion into profit, you're in the right place. This could be the first step toward your dream lifestyle. Let's jump into the first idea and get you started on your digital product journey. First up, AI prompt libraries. These are collections of expertly crafted prompts designed to help users get the most out of AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. With AI tools booming in popularity, more people than ever need high-quality prompts to unlock the full potential of these platforms and achieve better, faster results. Curate and sell packs of prompts tailored for marketers, writers, designers, or students. There's endless demand as AI continues to evolve, and new use cases emerge every day. You're not just selling text, you're offering people shortcuts to better, more impressive results, saving them time and helping them stand out. Next, Notion and productivity templates. Design ready-to-use dashboards for creators, freelancers, students, or anyone who wants to save time and get organized. Build once, sell infinitely. People pay for proven systems that make life easier. Third, digital journals and planners. Create interactive, beautifully designed planners for wellness, finance, or productivity, tailored to specific needs. These help people feel organized and in control. The right design and niche can make your planner a daily essential. Fourth, mini online courses. People want quick, focused learning. Teach a specific skill in a short, actionable format. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to package and sell your expertise. You're selling transformation in a bite-sized package. Fifth, Canva template kits. Create and sell editable templates for social media, resumes, pitch decks, and more. Non-designers love having a polished starting point. You save customers hours and help them look professional. Sixth, ebooks and niche guides. Go deep on a specific topic. Solve a real problem for a targeted audience. Sell on your site or platforms like Amazon KDP. It's a powerful way to package your expertise and earn passive income. Seventh, Printables for Etsy. Design digital files, planners, wall art, worksheets, party games that buyers print at home. No inventory, no shipping, just pure digital sales. Smart design and keyword research can turn your shop into a passive income stream. Eighth, editable digital assets for businesses. Create templates for proposals, onboarding packets, or presentations. Professionals pay for tools that save time and boost their image. High value means you can charge premium prices. Ninth, monetized subscription newsletters. Build a loyal audience with free content, then offer paid tiers for exclusive insights or community access. Platforms like Substack make it simple. If you have niche expertise, this is a great way to earn recurring revenue. 10th, sound effects and background loops. Content creators need audio for videos, podcasts, and apps. Sell packs of music, sound effects, or ambient sounds on your site or marketplaces. If you have basic audio skills, you can start today. There you have it. 10 digital product ideas you can start today, no matter your experience level or background. Each one has the potential to bring big results by 2026 if you take action and stay consistent. Remember, the best ideas are the ones that solve real problems for real people, or package your unique knowledge, skills, skills, or experiences into something valuable for others. So, pick the idea that excites you the most, the one you can't stop thinking about, and take that very first step today, even if it's just a small one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more digital entrepreneurship tips and inspiration. Now, I want to hear from you. Out of all these ideas, which one are you most excited to try, or do you have a unique idea of your own? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one and love seeing your creativity. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and keep dreaming big. Let me know if you want further tightening or adjustments. Your feedback helps me make even better content for you.